doing on this wonderful Saturday morning? I am on my way to get these eyebrows snatched, and then I'm going makeup shopping. I'm super excited about that because I need some makeup, like, really bad. So that's really all I have planned for the day. We're going to put this crib together this evening or this afternoon, and I guess like just try and get her room gathered together. Like, we really don't have much of anything. We just have the crib. We don't have the dresser or chest of drawers, so we shall see. But for now, I'm going to get my eyebrows arched, and they need it. I haven't had them done in forever. Like, I've been plucking them myself, but I need them like waxed now. So I will try my best to take you along on my journey today. I feel like I'm not really going to be doing much, so just beware. It's probably going to be a boring Saturday. But I hope everybody is having a great day, and I will see you in a little bit. So I just got finished getting my eyebrows arched. It literally took almost an hour to get in the chair, and I'm like, what the crap is going on? Like, you have 10 million nail techs in here that all of them have done my eyebrows before, and I'm like, I see people coming out and you sitting people down that's coming in to get their nails done. I'm like, can I just get my eyebrows arched? It's only gonna take you like 10 minutes. So they look so much better. Like, they always just clean it up. They don't really arch them, I guess, like most people think, because I like my eyebrows to be thicker, so I'm not like drawing on any brows. I don't know if you could tell, but they're just cleaner. Whew, God. But because I waited so long, the owner, he was just like, go ahead, I got you. You don't have to pay for it. And I'm like, I'm going to pay for it, but I mean, realistically, I should have been out of here like 30 minutes ago. But I didn't have to pay for it. And then he set me an appointment to get my, I don't think I'm going to do S&S again. Like, my nails look so good, natural now. And I was only getting like S&S because my nails were horrible. I think I had like a really bad fungus or something like that on my nails. But the dermatologist gave me some stuff last summer, I think. And it cleared up everything. So, and now with the prenatals, like, my nails just look really good. So, I'm coming back to set an appointment because it's super busy in there right now. I'm coming back to set an appointment to get a gel manicure before the shower next weekend. So I'm gonna hopefully get that done. I'd like to get it done either Thursday or Friday, but we'll see. We'll see which day that occurs. I think I'm gonna go up this way. But now, I can't believe I'm going to Gastonia to go to Ulta. But I told my Facebook friend I'd come see her at work. So I guess I will go to Gastonia, go to Ulta, come back to Charlotte, and go to South Park. I really cannot believe I'm about to. I think I just decided I'm not going. She works 10 to 2, so I'm like, I really don't want to. What are you doing? I really don't want to have to do all that. Oh God, what am I doing? I think I'm gonna just go to South Park. It's just now 10:30. If I get out of there in time, I might run to Gastonia. Alright, so I will be back. Oh wait, you can probably see my eyebrows better now. You can still see a little bit of the wax, but they're clean, so that's all I needed in my life. Now I feel like a woman. Alright. Okay, so I'm finally leaving the mall. It is 1:38. When I tell you, your girl. Should I go that way or this way? Let me just go this way. I am exhausted. I don't know how well I'm gonna do anything else for the rest of the day, but I feel like it ain't happening because I'm tired, and literally all I did was walk around the mall for probably 2 hours. But I think it was like well, I didn't climb stairs, but just up and down, and I'm sleepy too, and now I gotta figure out, should I go this way or that way? There's so much going on over here. But I'm going home now to, I guess, work on this crib.